In this video, you'll learn how to invite members to a Notion workspace. This process enables collaboration and sharing of information with your team or friends within Notion. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL _notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will be presented with the Notion homepage where you can either sign in or create an account if you do not already have one. After signing in, locate your profile space. This can typically be found in the upper left corner of the screen, represented by your profile picture initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu that contains various options related to your account. Next, select the option labeled Invite Members from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to a new screen where you can manage the members of your workspace. You will see a prompt that allows you to add new members to your workspace. Once you are on the Invite Member screen, click on the button that says Add Members. This will open a text input field where you can enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite in. Ensure that the email addresses are separated by commas if you're inviting multiple people. Now, type or paste the email addresses of the people you want to add. As you enter the addresses, double check for any spelling errors to ensure successful invitations. Incorrect email addresses will prevent the invites from reaching the intended recipients. After entering the email addresses, click on the option labeled Select Role. This will open a drop-down menu that allows you to choose the role for the new members. Each role has different permissions, so select the appropriate one based on how much access you want to grant them. Next, click on the drop-down menu that appears after selecting Select Role. Here, you will see various role options such as Member or Admin. Choose Member for standard access, which is suitable for most users. Once you have selected the role, click on Message to include a personal note with the invitees. This can help your invitees understand the purpose of the invite or provide any necessary context. Type in a message that you would like to accompany the invitation. This could be a brief introduction or a note about what the workspace is used for. Having a message can increase the likelihood that invitees will join. Finally, click on the button that says Send Invite. This action will dispatch the invitation emails to the addresses you provided. After sending, you may see a confirmation message indicating that your invites have been successfully sent. To finish, click on a blank space within the interface to exit the invitation screen. This will return you to your main workspace view where you can continue working or managing your tasks.